Hi classes, I wanted to just do a short video to tell you how our class at home is going to go. First, I just want to say that I really miss you guys. I hope you're all doing well and that you're healthy and that you're well taken care of right now during this time. I know that this is super weird, so I'm going to try to make it as easy for you as possible. Our format for the class is all going to be through Google Classroom, which I know is not normal for us. It's not normal for me either. So you should have either gotten a link or an invitation to Google Classroom. It went to both you and your parents. So if you don't have that, please join the Google Classroom. We have about half of you have joined at this point. So we're going to need everybody there in order to get the credit for the class. The first thing that you need to know is that every Tuesday and Thursday I'm going to be posting a video of myself teaching the lesson, just like I would do in front of class. It's not going to be listening to somebody else. It's going to be me. I'm going to keep them as short as possible, hopefully between 15 and 30 minutes. I know that seems like a long time, but hopefully maybe even shorter than that some weeks. And then after that, I'll post an assignment. It's going to be the same assignments that you're used to. Some of you took your paper copies home and some of you didn't. So in case you didn't, I'm going to attach the paper copies that I want you to do for that day. And again, that's only going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That doesn't mean that you have to do it Tuesdays and Thursdays. That just means that that's when it's going to be available to you. And I'm going to post those sometime in the morning on Tuesday and Thursday. How you can do those, you can print it if you have a printer at home, but not everyone's going to have a printer at home. If you already have the copies at home, that's awesome. You can use those. Or you can just do it on any piece of paper that you have at home, and then you're going to turn those assignments into me. If you're used to Google Classroom and that's a format that you already know, there is a way to turn it in on Google Classroom, but you don't have to do it that way. If that doesn't work for you, feel free to email it to me. Just take a picture of it and email it to me. That'd probably be even easier for a lot of you. Just make sure that your name's on it. And again, it can be printed. You can turn it into a PDF even and write right on the file if that works better for you, or it can just be on a lined piece of paper. I don't care how you turn it into me. Any of those ways is fine. I am going to have some office hours available to you. So every day from 9 to 11, I'll be making sure to check my email during that time. Now, just keep in mind, I've got 3 kids at home and they're all doing homeschool too, and I've got 2 dogs and it's crazy. So I know I'll be available from 9 to 11, and I'll try to check my emails other times too, but that's the time that I can guarantee that I'll get a hold of you. I'm also going to have office hours on Tuesday from 3 to 4:30 in the afternoon. That's going to be a Zoom call. So I'll put the link right on there and you can click on the Zoom and you'll actually be able to see me face to face. So if you don't understand something that we're doing and you have some questions and you just want to talk to me, go ahead and I'll teach you right from home how to do those questions. And then again on Thursday from 9:30 to 11 in the morning, I'll do that as well. Or if you just want to stop in and say hi, I would love to see you. So that would be great too. And maybe some of your other classmates will be on and you can say hi to them as well during that call. So that will be weekly, Tuesday, Thursday. I do have to take attendance every week according to the school. So the way I'm going to do that is if you are in touch with me anytime, Monday through Friday, you get counted for attendance that week. That means you can email me. If you turn in an assignment, that means I know you're getting it. So that counts for attendance for the whole week. If you do a Zoom call, it counts for attendance for the whole week. So just some way you must be in touch with me during the week for me to be able to count you there for attendance, because the school's going to be keeping track of that. The other thing that they're going to be keeping track of is grades. So the grades are going to be different than we did it. Your assignments are going to be worth 50% of your grades, and your quizzes are going to be worth 50% of your grade, and that's it. So you turn in assignments, you automatically have 50% done. The quizzes, I'm going to probably post one every couple of weeks, again on a Tuesday or Thursday. So keep in mind those are open notes. You can go back and look at any of the videos. You can look at any of the notes you took. Anything like that you can look online if you don't understand it. To help, you're going to need to show your work, so you can't just, put it into one of those math apps. But that's the other 50% of your grade. So that's how your grades will be calculated. This is all going to be starting next week. So this is probably one of the last things that you'll see from me this week, and then we'll start those videos next week. So if you have any questions, this week would be a really good time to keep in touch with me and ask me, just to make sure that you're all set and ready to go. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next week.